and welcome to Universal's Stella Nova Resort. This is one of their 3 new hotels that they're opening with the grand opening of Universal's Epic Universe theme park. This hotel is very new. There's lots of neat things to see inside and things that you can take advantage of during your stay. So we're going to bring you along on our stay and show you everything you need to know. Let's go check it out. Here we are walking underneath the entrance to the hotel. You can come and get dropped off here. Look again, and just the beautiful tiles. So colorful. And I think I read somewhere, depending on how the light hits the tiles, the color can change. So that's super unique. But let's go ahead and get inside and check out the lobby area. Super beautiful. The tiles are really, really neat. The one thing I really think is fun about the entrance, of course, it has these automatic doors, but it also has this really fast spinny door. But let's go ahead and get in this one and we'll walk in for a fun entrance to Stella Nova Resort. Look at the tiling on the floor. I love the rugs in front of all of the resorts. Stella Nova Resort. And here we are in the lobby of the Stella Nova Resort. Here to the left, we have the luggage area. So if you get in early before your room's ready, we always like checking our bag. That way we can head to the parks or just maximize our time while we're waiting for our room to be ready. There is a whole Universal store in here, and they do have some Epic Universe merch. So we're going to go check that out. But here is the check-in area. So you can come. The staff has been super helpful, and they are really great about getting you a good room and getting you checked in efficiently. I love the artwork in the back, and all of these fun lights are so fun, and all the rounded pictures are so neat. It really feels like you're transported into space, which is a really cool feeling. Then we've got the Nova bar over here. And I think the furniture and all of the light fixtures are really neat. This is the Nova bar, which is open pretty late in the evening, so you get a drink after you get back from your park day. There is the market over there, which we will show you. But let's go ahead and check out the store and see what kind of merch they have in here. So inside the store, immediately you see some of the Nintendo World merch. I think this is one of the lands that I'm most excited for in Epic Universe. Kind of debating on getting one of these headbands for the first day of Epic Universe, but I need to get my outfit all together. Here's some more of the Nintendo World merch. I think it's fun to see what they have here because maybe it gives you an idea of the merch that they'll also have at Epic Universe. Here's some of the merch for the Monsters Land that they're going to be having. Some little shot glasses. I also am eager to see what the How to Train Your Dragon land is like, because I think Toothless is so cute. I think this is a plush pillow of his face, which is adorable. They also have a little Toothless backpack, which is really cute. I love my park bags, and that's a really cool one. They do have different swimsuits and swim gear here in case you forgot anything on your visits. That way you can enjoy the lovely pool that they have. They do have a new Ministry of Magic land coming as well for a new Harry Potter land. They've got some plushies and the shirts for that, and some standard Epic Universe merch, which is really fun. We've got the shirts, the little bottle holders. This tank top's actually kind of neat. That would be perfect, but this mug is also a fun souvenir to go with. I do always recommend packing your travel essentials and anything you might want or need during your trip with you, because they are a little bit more expensive here, but in case you forgot anything, they do have some extra essentials here at the gift shop that you can pick up. I do really love Yoshi. Look at this little headband they have of him. He's so cute. Let's try it on and see if this is what we need. I don't know if they have a Yoshi meet and greet, but if they did, most definitely will want to meet him. He's so cute. Look at this fun little lounge area to hang out at. Again, the artwork is so cool. It's all space themed. I think I read somewhere that they are photos from NASA, which is a really neat detail. But the Nova bar opens at 5 p.m. So like I said, after your park day, or maybe before you head back into the park for an evening, go ahead and check out the bar. And here we are outside. Look at those funky little chairs. Lots of seating area. And this is also the pool area too. In the distance, you can see the Terra Luna Hotel, which is the exact copy of Stella Nova. Just another prime value option here at Universal Studios near the Epic Universe area. There's a little splash pad. Here's the pool. It looks like you can kind of wade into it. And then there's also a little pool bar over here in the distance. So let's go ahead and go look at it. Also on the side, you can see the beautiful, colorful tiles on the side of Stella Nova. I really like the way the windows look. It makes you feel like you're in a spaceship. And then over at Terra Luna, you also have the same idea. So it'll be interesting to see what that hotel's like. The pool hours are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. So we'll go ahead and see if we can get in. I got our ring key and we can get in. And here is the pool area. Look how beautiful this is. It's so relaxing. And I think you can wade into it. But I love all of the little pool beds that they have. Lots of space to sprawl out and enjoy a break day from the park or just a midday break. We'll go over and look at the splash pad real quick, and then we're we're gonna check out the pool bar. I love having a break day from the parks. It's a great way to refresh so you can make the most of your vacations down here. Here's the little splash pad area. This would be so fun in the summertime. I know kids would love it. There's also a little spray off area that you can wash off at. Little umbrellas. There's also little games in the distance. It looks like they have the Connect 4 and ping pong, which is really fun. And let's head over to the pool bar. This is the Galaxy bar. They do have restrooms here, and they also have the Coke Freestyle machines. I love using those for water to stay rehydrated. I love the little cosmic art inside of all the little details here. But here is a look at the Galaxy bar. Look how beautiful it is with the colorful tiles. So you can get yourself a drink while you're chilling here at the pool. Looks like they have little frozen slushies and lots of drinks that you can get to enjoy your day. I just turned around to see the little lounge area that they have here. I love these little chairs and how the theming really kind of transports you to a space atmosphere. So it'd be fun to hang out underneath here. They have little fans to keep you cool during the summer. And another neat thing is usually at the Prime Value hotels, they don't have like a hot tub, but there is a little soaking hot tub here that you can enjoy if you're having a pool day. Outside here, they also have connections to the Galaxy Grill. I think that's where we were just at to check out some of the breakfast options. There's a nice easy little walkway that you can go into the Galaxy Grill, or it actually kind of looks like it's a different dining option. Let's go look at that. They do have a little walk-up window here. So it looks like whenever it's open, you can actually get some grab and go stuff here just from the access of the pool. That's kind of nice. We are walking to show you our room, and the carpet is so new. You can feel how new it is, but let's go ahead and show you our room 5032. All right, welcome to our standard room here at Stella Nova Resort. Look at how beautiful this is. It's such a spacious room. We are on the 5th floor. It is nighttime now, so we'll have to check out our view later whenever it is the morning, but here is what it looks like. Let's check out the closet space here. Really nice if you wanted to hang up your park outfits or any bags that you have. It's got a safe, extra blankets, and also a little luggage rack. I love that, so that way you can help to save some space in the room here if you have any other luggage or things that you're traveling with. The bathroom area is actually really neat. There's a ton of great lighting so that you can get ready for your day for the parks. They've got, of course, a sink, little tissues, some extra towels. They do have a little hand soap that looks like they will replenish whenever they do the housekeeping. Then in the bathroom here, we have the one that is just the walk-in standing shower. And then, of course, the toilet. And they have the soap pump. So some of their Universal hotels we've stayed at, they actually have the individual shampoo and conditioners. Here at Stella Nova, they just have the soap pump. Coming into our room here, look how beautiful it is. Again, it just feels so spacious. The ceilings feel really tall, and it feels like there's a lot of great walking room here in between the beds and the vanity and the couch. Here we've got the coffee maker, so in the morning we can fuel up for our park day. Inside this little cabinet, you do have a little fridge, so if you have any leftovers or if you want to get groceries delivered, it's a littler one, but it's nice that they have one. Here we also have a dresser if you wanted to unpack, or if you wanted to put any other things inside here just to make extra space, you can do that. Here is a look at the map of the overall hotel. We'll talk about this a little bit later whenever we go and kind of do more of a tour, but we've got the pool and then the overall shape of the hotel. And then here you can also see with the beautiful tiles, this is our room key that they give us. We've got the 2 keys, and of course you have the early admission with this stay here, which is a really nice perk of staying at a Universal hotel. They've got the phone if you need to call the front desk, a little notepad, and then they also have a little couch here, which is kind of neat. It's built into the dresser, which is kind of interesting. Of course, these are the queen beds. They look so comfy, and they've got a lot of switches here if you wanted to charge anything overnight. Looks like they have the USB-C, the USB. Look at this little mushroom lamp. It's so cute. And the artwork on the back is really beautiful. We'll go and check our view. Even though it's night, we'll check it out later. Super cool. I don't know if you can see too much. We'll have to check it out tomorrow, but you can see the lights of the wraparound of the hotel, and we actually have an Epic Universe view. So we will have to check on that whenever it is light outside. Overall, absolutely love the rooms. They're so bright and spacious and clean feeling. Excited to see what they're like tonight. It's not a stay at a Universal hotel if we don't try their pizza service. We got their room service pizza. It's late at night, and we're gonna try it out. I think we got the margarita pizza It was about $15 a pizza for the 6-cut. So we're gonna go ahead and try the cheese pizza. I love Universal Hotel pizza, and this is like so thick and cheesy. It's so good. I love it. So cheers. Man, after a Universal Park day, you cannot beat this. Very, very good. Highly recommend. Now that it's brighter outside, let's look at our view. You can either have a pool view room or a view of the parking lot and Epic Universe. That's why I wanted to go with this one. This is the Grand Helios Hotel. This hotel is actually connected to Epic Universe, so you can get right into the park there. We got done with our park day, so we came back for dinner here at the cafe. I got the kids mac and cheese. Look at how nice and big this bowl of mac and cheese is. It has little breadcrumbs on the top. So yummy. It also comes with a side of fries for $9, and they had a choice of drink. They didn't have any apple juice, which I would have gotten, so we got some chocolate milk. All right, we are going to try our mac and cheese now. Mix it together a little bit. Cheers. It's like a buttery mac and cheese. Tastes pretty buttery. The breadcrumbs are good. I don't mind the cheese, actually. It's a different cheese, though. It's really good, but it tastes buttery is the only thing. Very good, though. Nice to have after a park day. Down here at the cafe, Mandy surprised me with a scoop of the Cookie Monster ice cream. Look at all those inclusions they have in there. Yummy. And then what did you get, Mandy? A chocolate full of salt. Yay! Yummy desserts here. That looks really yummy. Ooh, look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Cheers. That looks really, really good. We are on the bus headed to City Walk, and these are the new electric buses. They're actually pretty quiet compared to the other Universal buses. So we're going to time it and see how long it takes to get to City Walk. Here from Stella Nova, it's 9:43. We'll see what time it is when we get there. And the distance there, the opening of the park, it is 9:57. So about a 15-minute drive from Stella Nova here to the bus station at City Walk. There's the outside of the new buses. They have the fun wraps, of course, but they just have a little bit of a different shape compared to the standard buses. So that's just one thing to keep in mind when you're staying at Stella Nova and thinking of visiting the parks here at City Walk. Definitely just budget about 15 minutes for travel time in case you want to do any early entry or if you need to get a dining reservation over here at City Walk. Well, that is going to do it for our stay here at Universal Stella Nova Resort. Overall, we absolutely enjoyed our stay. All of the staff is super helpful and kind here at Stella Nova. Of all of the Universal resorts, I'd say this is my second favorite only because I love the lazy river at Cabana Bay. But other than that, the rooms were very nice and spacious. We loved the shower, and the pool area would be really fun for a pool day here at Universal. Let us know if you're thinking of staying here or visiting Epic Universe, and if you need any other tips and tricks planning a trip here to Universal Orlando, you can check out this video right here. Thanks so much for staying with us. Let us know if you're staying here. We'll see you in the next video. See you guys.